You can take simple book pages, puzzle book pages, and make holiday ornaments out of them. So you can put it flat, or you could just turn it around. And that's such a pretty way of decorating the tree and recycling, reusing, and repurposing something you already have. Another thing is the dollar store and crafting stores always have these glass gems. They call them flat marbles or glass flat gems. You can make a great display out of it and hang it up, or even give it as just a personalized gift. I think it's such a great craft to create. And all you do is you take a piece of string, yarn, or ribbon, hot glue it to one of the gems, and then hot glue the other gem to the gem that has the string. Easy, simple to make. This is a little ornament that I took an aluminum foil ball, just scrunched up aluminum foil and wrapped it in this satin ribbon, and I think it came out great. It has enough sheen that it reflects the light. Another thing that you can do to recycle, reuse, and repurpose is take your hand towel rolls and create these interesting little display pieces. You can use it as an ornament, put a little string on it and hang it on a tree, hang it on a door, or you could do something really abstract, like something like this is seasonless. And what I did was I colored it in with this little metallic pen, magic marker, and it was simple to make. So what I wanted to show you is that you can leave it unpainted, painted. I can imagine painting these with different colors. It's such an easy, simple craft, and just putting these marble gems in the middle. I'm sure you guys can come up with your own ideas, but I wanted to show you one other thing. Crayons make an absolutely perfect stocking stuffer, and it can just be easily colored in. So this is a simple craft that anyone in the family can create, and once you use your imagination, you can create something that will be useful year-round. The next crafting idea is taking the styrofoam that comes in a lot of packages, putting cardboard behind it. Let me just show you how we're doing that. All you're doing is using a hot glue gun to put cardboard on it, putting a little hook so that you can hang it up in this little hook, and then you'll have a great display, and I'm going to show you how it looks in a moment. So with this styrofoam, all I did was take some duct tape and decorate the front. I'll probably cover this bottom part with some paper flowers, I'm not sure. But I think this makes such an interesting, easy, decorative item. And I'll upload another video in a few days probably that will have all the paper flowers. Okay, so the last craft we have is the cans that we'll turn into decorative items by just hot gluing some of these beaded necklaces that you can find at the dollar store. They're such pretty pieces that you can even wrap it around the tree, or take these and just mix it in a jar like this, and it really is a pretty way of decorating. You can hot glue them to jars, or just take a can and hot glue these to the top of the can. You can finish the design or alternate colors. That would be pretty, to put an alternate the colors so that you have the whole can filled. But I like it simple like this. You could also just turn it over and simply put the beads at the bottom. So you can come up with so many ideas. I love watching other YouTube crafters for ideas. I hope you check out my other videos for crafting ideas. And if you come up with something, please just leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like.